Hey guys, it's Nicole Elise. Today I'm going to be walking you through my take on a bridal long-lasting makeup look. I ended up creating this look for you guys with all of my favorite L'Oreal products that are just quintessential for bridal looks, especially for a long day and a long night. You definitely want to make sure you're picking the right products. The goal for this look was to really create like a more enhanced version of myself, while still being able to photograph beautifully, last as long as possible all day and night. And I also just really wanted my skin to look as beautiful as possible with some natural eyes. This is what I would consider like my level 1 bridal makeup look. So if you are looking to kind of enhance or add to this look, you can definitely do it as you please. But for me and any of my gals who just want really simple, natural makeup look for their wedding, this is sort of the look I would go for. I have handpicked all of these products for you guys from L'Oreal that are going to make your makeup last all day long, all night long. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump into the look. To start off the bridal look, we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotions. I have mine in 902 Light Glow and a 903 Medium Glow, and I'm actually gonna mix the two just to give me a little bit of more warmth to the skin, but also give me that like champagne pearly finish. I'm just gonna take some on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna mix it and go ahead and apply. We're gonna use the Infallible up to 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is going to give you a really beautiful finish, very natural finish, while still giving you a perfect amount of coverage. Also long lasting, so it can stay put for your day. For pictures, I find that this foundation is so nice because it doesn't give any like flashback, and it's also very natural looking in photos. It's not too matte and it's not too dewy, but also with the Glotion, you're giving yourself a little bit of that natural lit from within look. So it's sort of like a happy medium that I think a lot of brides would love. For bronzer, we are going to use a cream contour. I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealers. I have two different shades here. I have medium deep C8 and deep C10. I'm going to start off with the medium C8 and just see how this works warming up the skin. This also comes with a really nice applicator. We will be using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one is in shade 405 Toffee, and it has a really nice doe foot applicator for really nice precision. The creaminess of this concealer is just unmatched, especially for being affordable. It is just so good. Okay, with that, we're just gonna highlight around the rest of the face. I'm gonna go right on the chin, down here, middle of the forehead, and then down the nose. For bronzer, we're going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer. This one is in 450 Deep Tan, and I'm just going to go over everywhere we used cream bronzer, set everything in, and then give it an extra airbrush look. For blush, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite liquid blushes. This is the Lumile Liquid Blush. It's in shade 601 Dewy Worth It, and it's like the perfect pink for a wedding day. I'll just show you guys. Just like a fresh pink, and then I take a little bit and sort of dust it right on top of the nose, and then a wash of it like just straight across the head and then down here. And it just really ties everything together, and I think this color is just a perfect youthful pink. It looks so good, especially in pictures. It is so beautiful. And then of course we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lumile Glass Highlighter Stick. This one is in 610 Glassy Pearl, and I'm just gonna take a little bit down my nose. Then I'm gonna also push this right into the skin. See how the sun just sort of hits it perfectly? And I'm just gonna go right on top of the high points of my cheekbones, and then right underneath the brow, just sort of like in a C formation like that. We're gonna go on top of the liquid blush with a powder blush just to lock everything in, similar to what we did with the bronzer, just to give it a little bit more of an airbrushed effect. Also to keep it very long lasting for the whole day. We're gonna use the Infallible Fresh Wear Blush, and this one is in the shade 20 Darling Rosewood. I'm gonna take a wash of it right on the lids just to tie everything together. Let's see how everything is sort of coming together on the face. I'm gonna be taking some of the Infallible Fresh Wear highlighter. This one is in 15 Champagne Glow, and I'm going to use my finger just a little bit to lock in that highlight on the nose. Taking a highlighting brush, and I'm just going to do like a little dust of it to set the concealer and just make everything more long lasting. And also see how there's this glow right here. It is really pretty, but it's not ideal for pictures you want to look back at later in life. It's better to have that be a little bit more muted and toned down than really glaring. And I'm going to be taking the Infallible Blurfection. This is the loose powder, and it lasts up to 24 hours. It's brightening and blurring. I'm going to use shade 10 pink and also 20 translucent. Mix these together for underneath the eyes, and then I will be using the translucent just on my forehead and certain parts of the rest of the face. And then I'm going to set wherever I have concealer, especially around the mouth. You're going to be talking a lot. You don't want this to crease this area. Ideally, wherever you applied concealer, I always go in with a powder for something really long lasting. And it's always better to just be safer than sorry. Just lock it in, because no matter what, the powder is going to look so beautiful and translate so nicely on camera. So just lock it in. Speaking of long lasting, obviously we want this look to last all day long, all night long as possible. This is gonna be your best friend. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. You don't have to wait for this to dry. This will set down so quickly, and you can just continue on with the rest of your makeup. We're gonna be using the Brow Stylist. This is the Definer Waterproof Brow Pencil. I have soft black and dark brunette. I love how tiny the actual pencil is. You can make really nice hair-like strokes. For brow gel, I'm using the Infallible Brow Lamination Gel. This is clear, and I like how tiny the little wand is, so you can get in and really push those brow hairs up and just mold them the way you want them to. I'm gonna go back in with the powder bronzer we used, and I am going to actually brush the bronzer all over my lid. Really give your look some dimension. I want to keep the eyes really, really natural. The focus is really my skin more than anything. Going in with the powder blush I used, and I'm going to blend this throughout the whole eye up to the crease. For eyeliner, we're going to smudge this out. We're gonna use the Infallible Gel Mechanical Liner. This one is in Intense Black. This one has a bit of a point to the end of it, and I'm gonna run this right along the lash line. What's great about this eyeliner is it comes with a smudger. See how it just defines the eye, but at the same time, it's not super intense. However, we are gonna go in with the Infallible Precision Felt Liquid Eyeliner. This is basically like your typical pen eyeliner, right underneath where we smudged everything, just to give that lash line even more intensity. I still want my eye shape to be defined, and I feel like when you smudge it, you kind of lose a little bit of the shape. For mascara, we're going in with the Paradise Big Deal Mascara. This mascara is great for lengthening, but it's also gonna give you really pretty volume. Also just gonna take that gel liner and then tight line right in the, what you would call like the upper waterline. In makeup, we call it tight lining, and this just enhances the lash line even more and just makes it look a lot fuller. For lip liner today, we're gonna be using the Color Riche lip liner, and this one is in Worth It Medium. It's like your perfect pinky mauve. It's like the go-to lip color for bridal because you want it to be pink and natural, but not like baby pink, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna go with the matching satin lipstick. This is the Color Riche satin lipstick in Worth It Medium as well. And I'm just gonna dab this. Oh, The smell of L'Oreal lipsticks just is so nostalgic to me. For lip gloss, I'm actually going to opt for a lip oil. This is the Plump Ambition lip oil, and mine is in 601 Worth It. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my beautiful bridal look. Very easy, long lasting, perfect for that bride that just wants to enhance their natural beauty and still look like themselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.